With this video, you will learn how to properly install outer gable flashing. Start the installation from the eave. Mark approximately 2 inches from the end of the flashing to the tile. Draw a straight line. Notch the triangle piece on the right side of the flashing. Draw an angled line on the other side and cut along as shown on the screen. Bend 45-degree angle lip or more if necessary. If you'd like to hide the cut in the gutter, mark more than 2 inches and bend the lip parallel to the fascia board. Install the first outer gable in place and continue with subsequent pieces all the way to the gable peak, overlapping and fastening as shown on the screen. Mark the last piece accordingly to the angle of the gable and cut at least 1 inch behind the drawn line on both sides to create connection lip for the other side flashing. Install prepared outer gable in place and secure with long fasteners. Start the other side installation from the eave as well, repeating the same process. Continue to the gable peak, finishing the last piece as shown on the screen.